Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make planks. You could use planks to make furniture, or you could trade it for pixels at the taskboard. The first item you'll need to make the plank is softwood. To get the softwood, you'll have to axe some trees. On the south side of Terra Villa, where Jack and Jill is standing, you'll see that there's always 2 trees with red X's marked on them. Grab the axe from your inventory and chop it 5 times to get the softwood, and sometimes they'll also give you hardwood. If you take a closer look, you'll notice that the tree stump has a yellow outline. This means you could axe it too. I heard if you don't axe the tree stump, that the trees will spawn back faster. If you are in dire need of more softwood, I would just go ahead and chop it. Keep in mind, every time you take a chop action, it's going to cost you 1 energy. When I first chopped the tree, it gave me back 20 softwood. And here, you'll see that I received 16 softwood for cutting that tree stump. It takes another day for the trees to come back. Now we have enough softwood, let's go make the plank. On the bottom right side of Terra Villa, you'll find somebody named Stan Stoller. He's standing beside a saw section. As your woodworking levels up, you'll unlock more recipes to create at this woodworking section. Now I'm going to click it and choose planks. Here you can see that it costs 12 softwood to create 1 plank. It will take 1 minute to make that plank, and you'll get 4 XP for woodworking. I also have the recipe to make a bundle of planks. That's where you can make a dozen planks in 12 minutes. Since I don't have enough softwood to do that right now, I'm just going to go to the single plank and press create. After that minute is up, just click collect and the plank will automatically go into your inventory. After a previous update, farming trees to get softwood and hardwood has become a lot more scarce. For gamers without an NFT farmland, or if you're not part of a guild that gives you access to farmland, it may be hard to come by these trees and items. So you may want to use a plank to create furniture, but it may seem unrealistic to trade 70 planks for 1 pixel. So you might be thinking, what else can I do with this plank, and is it worth it to create? In my opinion, I would create the plank, and I'll tell you why. If you have access to the marketplace, you could sell this plank to get your money up. If you go to the back of Bucks Galore and click the buy button at the marketplace, you could see the live price that people are selling planks for. You could see here that people are consistently selling the plank for 728 coins per plank. So this person's selling 8 planks and they're gonna make about 5,000 coins after fees if they sell that plank. To quickly demonstrate, I'm gonna go ahead and sell the 1 plank that I just made. Here, people are driving down the price because they're trying to make a quick sale. Since I'm just selling 1, I'm gonna go ahead and switch my pricing to 700 to see how fast I could sell this. Now I'm removing my old listing and the plank will go back into my inventory. I could immediately create a new listing for 700 coins. Now you can see the new pricing and the new fee. Here I'm checking the planks in the marketplace and you'll see that I have mine listed at the very top. When I click the listings again, it's already gone. So in less than 20 seconds, I was able to sell my plank. To view the sale details, click your mailbox and you'll see here that I have a successful marketplace sale. I'm able to collect my 630 coins for selling that plank. If you thought this video was helpful, please smash the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you on the next one.